Hey there, welcome back to Geek and Son. So today I've been working on sanding it down to 120. Why, you say? Haven't you sanded this car a lot? Yeah. The fenders are just kind of thrown on there. I'm going to sand the entire car down to 120, and then I'm going to re-epoxy primer the parts where I've done some mud. And I found actually a couple of spots even now, which you can't even believe with all the sanding and mudding and every other thing I've done, but I just found a low spot on that fender that I hadn't seen before. So they are there, but I've got plenty of time to do this. I'm going to take it nice and easy. There's no race to get it done. I'm going to sand it down to 120 and then clean it off, and then put some more epoxy on it. And I'm going to put epoxy on it while it's all together, because I don't need to epoxy the whole thing the way it was before, piece by piece. Cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hi. Definitely got some fall weather going on. Obviously, you see the leaves are changing. They're falling all over the place. I'm just going to sand to 120, and it's going to be beautiful. And then I'm going to put the epoxy back on it. Okay, so if you want to watch, here we go. See me over here, huh? So I'm just going to continue around the side of the car. It's not that impressive, but it'll be fun. These flexible blocks I like them. Whew. I try to clean as I go, otherwise it makes a giant mess. This ding right here, I saw on another channel, a guy used something called, I think it was called plastic coat, mix it in with the mud, and it thins it out a lot, and then you just kind of spray it on and then kind of scoop it off with like a paint stick, and then it's super smooth. So I'm going to try that on here once it comes, and it's on the way. Let's see when it gets here. If I wrap this around so it won't fall off when I hit an edge. Let's see over here. me, I see that I'm going to bare metal more than I want to. But since I'm going to spray it with epoxy again, it doesn't matter. If I would have known 6 years ago it would take 6 years and I'm to this spot, yeah, I'd still do it. But I tell you what, it's getting dust everywhere. I'm trying to clean the lens, but making it worse. Would I still do it? Yeah. See if we can do a little walk around here. Definitely can see the spot there and there and there, and this one you can feel. So I'll have to put some mud on that. The fenders aren't on straight, but I knew that. I did it on purpose so I could get to the gap there. Hood feels very nice. Doors feel very nice. Roof has that little teeny dent right there. I don't know if I just was gonna ignore it or just didn't notice it. I feel something right here. Let me see. Yeah, it's just so minimal. Oh, what was that? Wherever it is, it's right here somewhere, right there. It's so minimal though. When I put the sprayable filler on and another coat of epoxy, you'll never see that. And this is what I've been working on most recently. This is perfect now. A little bit of a high spot right there, but again, that'll be filled. And then of course the dreaded top of the window, rear window. It's just been a nightmare. Uh-oh, I felt a bump right there. Not enough to worry about though. This is perfect. This feels good. The deck lid's good. Here's the mask I should have been wearing. A little bit metal showing, but that's again, I don't care. It's fine. Had to sand a little bit more there. A little high spot there and there. This is where I screwed it up bad, trying to fix this stupid gap, which I made it worse. Little high spot there. Uh-oh. No, it was really low right here. Just barely detectable with my hand. This is where I wrecked the quarter, and it looks beautiful now. Just a little more sanding right there. Beautiful. Yeah. So all I can see is that needs a little sanding there, which I can do real quick. Let's try. It's a little wavy right here, just barely. If you would have seen how many dents and dings were in this hood, this roof when I started, this is nothing. This is, plus it's going to be covered by that mean old Confederate flag. Yeah. Who knew? Never mind, I don't even want to get into it. Alright, oh, hold on. It's a little bit right there. But that's not going to be fixable. Okay, so there's going to need some mud. Other side's going to need some sanding. There's going to need some mud. Other than that, I think we're good. I'll clean off. It's going to rain. Might look like it's going to rain. I'll spray it off. And then start cleaning it off, assuming it doesn't start to rain. And then we'll be ready. I'll start. Oh, look at that. There's a couple of high spots. But super minimal. Am I being picky? Yeah. But because, I mean, I said it. I spent 6 years on this car. I want it to be, you know, as perfect as it can be. So I'm going to go get the air. It's going to be really noisy. I'll spray it off. And then I'll get some of that pre-paint prep. Clean her off. And yeah, it'll be wonderful. So keep watching. So I was charging it and I knocked it off the stand. So hopefully I didn't just wreck my GoPro. Just keep blowing. So I've got to, what? Do something. Oh, I've got to remake the paper for the windows. Once I get the paper cut for the windows, or even in between. I'm gonna bring it inside because it might rain, and plus these leaves aren't helping. But I'll clean it up, and then she'll be ready to spray some more epoxy on. Then it will look pretty again for a minute till I sand that down to probably 80. I might start 40, and then 80, and then 120 again, the whole car. Which again, it's crazy because I'm gonna do it by hand. But when I'm done, it's gonna look beautiful. Look, there's the wife.
Look at this pretty thing I made.
It's a bucket, what is it? Candle holder?
Candle holder, mirror glass effect.
Very nice. I just sprayed the car off, and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna re-epoxy it. So it'll be all the same gray again. Then I'm gonna sand all that down. And what I was saying is it's gonna be really crazy because I'm doing it all by hand now, no machines. So it'll be perfectly smooth. Which will be nice. All right. So stay tuned, keep watching. Bye.